Welcome back guys. So this is going to be the beginner's guide video to AirGPU Cloud Service. I'll be trying it out on my Xiaomi Pad 6 running on Android platform. This service provides us with a virtual PC. You can do whatever you want with it, where to install your games or your productivity softwares. These servers are spread across the globe. I am from India. We'll be using the Asia Pacific Mumbai based server. They allow us to specify the hardware for our virtual PC. We can stream their PC to any of our devices using Moonlight or Parsec. I'll be using the former. Moonlight is available on different platforms like Windows, Linux, Android, etc. etc. My biggest complaint about this service is that it is very expensive. Pricing depends on the virtual PC's hardware specification. I'll show you the price breakdown for my virtual PC. So first head to AirGPU's website, create an account. It is absolutely free. Now let's create a machine. Location tab, from here select the server. Multiple servers are available in Asia Pacific regions. Countries have been mentioned. Europe region. They even have a server in Middle East region. Multiple servers in US East. I'll select Asia Pacific Mumbai. Only one server is available in India. We'll be getting a delay of around 44 milliseconds. This is fine for running single player offline games. Input delay won't be a big issue, but I would not recommend using the service for running competitive games. Then we have two GPU configurations, NVIDIA Tesla T4 and NVIDIA A10G. The former has performance similar to GTX 1080. The latter has performance similar to RTX 3080. To no one's surprise, the former is cheaper, priced at around $0.85 per hour, and the latter is priced at $1.30 per hour. This service bills the playtime on an hourly basis. They don't have monthly plans for it. With the Tesla T4 configuration, you'll be getting a weaker CPU. I'll select NVIDIA A10G configuration. We'll be getting these two CPU configurations. 8 virtual CPUs, 32 GB of RAM, 16 virtual CPUs, 64 GB of RAM. I'll select the 8 virtual CPUs configuration. Recommended option for most modern games. Streaming quality. I have selected Full HD 60 fps. Bitrate 15 megabits per second. The service supports up to 4K 60 fps at 45 megabits per second. This will increase the price as well. Storage. It is priced on a fixed monthly basis. It's expensive. I'll be selecting the 150 GB storage option. It will cost me around $10.5 per month. Charged at $0.345 per day. Stop machine when idle for 15 minutes. Self-explanatory. Machine will be shut down automatically if I am not doing anything for 15 minutes. Operating system. Here we have two options. Windows 10. Bring your own license, and Windows Server 2022. I won't be using any license. Do not worry, we will still be able to use Windows and run our games. Windows will show an annoying prompt asking us to activate it. Windows will take up to 40 GB of disk space. So with the 150 GB storage option, in the end I'll be getting around 110 GB of storage available for installing my games. Agree. Create machine. Its price $2.2 per hour. This is the virtual PC that I just created. Now I'll break down its pricing. For 150 GB of storage, I'll be charged a fixed amount of $10.5 per month. Playtime is billed on an hourly basis, $2.2. So if I use the service for around 30 hours in a month, the price will be around $66. On top of that, add the pricing for the storage. The total price will be around $76.5. That's roughly around rupees 6,300. Yeah, this service is really very expensive. Before starting the server, we need to make the payment. My current credit nil. If your credit goes into negative state, you will be required to add credit within the next 3 days. Otherwise your virtual PC will be deleted. You lose all data. Click on add credit. This window will pop up. Here you will see your account's email, the current balance, credit amount that you want to add to your account. I'll purchase $10 credit. Select it. Purchase. You can also delete your AirGPU account from here. This is my order summary. $10 price includes GST, $1.53. If you have a discount code, enter it here. Here mention the postcode and then click on continue. They support PayPal as a payment mode. I'll be using my Axis Bank debit card. If you are from India, make sure international payment is enabled on your card. I'll just enter the details and then click on pay now. Payment is being processed. amount has been credited to my AirGPU account. I have already installed Moonlight's Android application on my Xiaomi Pad 6. You can download it for free from Play Store. Let's start our PC. First start, AirGPU is starting. It can take some time, a few minutes. They have warned the users to shut down the virtual PC from here, otherwise they'll end up getting billed. Starting. In the meantime, I'll show you Moonlight settings. Just tap on the settings cog here. Video resolution, Full HD. If you have the 4K plan, select 4K resolution. Frame rate 60. Bit rate 15 megabits per second. Rest of the settings are left as is. I'll just quickly scroll down. Show on screen controls disabled as I'll be using my gamepad. Codec settings, I'm using automatic. It's recommended. Show performance stat setting enabled. That's it. Okay, I just got this error. All GPU in the data center are currently in use. Please try again in a couple of minutes. Finally, the status changed to initializing. Just copy the IP address from here. Username and password have also been generated. Now open Moonlight application. Tap on the plus icon here. Paste the IP address in this bar. Add PC manually. Tap on OK. Connecting to AirGPU's PC. There it is. Tap on the monitor. Pin will be generated. Just note it down somewhere, 8281 in my case. Head back to AirGPU's website. Tap on connect with Moonlight. Enter the pin here. Pair. Connection succeeded. Tap on OK. Go back to Moonlight application. Now you will be able to access AirGPU's virtual PC. There you go. Tap on desktop. We are in. There is a performance overlay, Full HD resolution. HEVC codec is being used. Getting an average network latency of around 30 milliseconds. Okay, I need to enter the password. Go back to AirGPU's website. Password is right here. Just click on show. Type it here. Windows initial setup. I'll just click on remind me in 3 days. Okay, we need to change the resolution first. Right click anywhere on the desktop, then click on NVIDIA control panel. Here just click on change resolution. I'll select Full HD from this list. Then click on apply. Yeah, resolution change. Much better now. Click on yes. On their virtual PC, both Steam and Epic Games Launcher are already installed. They have also provided an application for the purpose of updating GPU drivers. I'll just execute it. Checking for driver updates. In the meantime, I'll just sign into my Steam account. Run Steam. I'll just scan the QR code using Steam's Android application in order to sign into my Steam account. Location of the server, Mumbai, Maharashtra. An update was found. You just need to type Y and hit enter. I have connected my Bluetooth mouse and keyboard to Xiaomi Pad 6. Driver update is being downloaded. I'll show you the server specification. Name of the CPU, AMD Epic. Physical cores available 4, logical cores 8. RAM size 32 GB. Name of the GPU, NVIDIA A10G. VRAM size around 22.5 GB. Windows 10. Download region, India, Mumbai. Total space available on this virtual PC around 150 GB. Windows 10 has consumed around 35 GB. I have access to 114.6 GB. For the purpose of this tutorial video, I'll be installing Hogwarts Legacy. Search for the game. There it is. Steam version of Hogwarts Legacy supports cloud saves. This means upon exiting the game, our save files will be synchronized to the cloud servers of Steam. When we run the game for the next time, we will be able to continue the game from the same point where we left off last time. Our save files will also be stored locally on a GPU server. Even if we shut down the server and start it again, our save files will still be present. Let's install the game. Check out the download speed. Accept. I have connected my PS4 controller to Xiaomi Pad 6 via Bluetooth mode. Yeah, it has been detected, showing Xbox prompts. Okay, download is starting. Game's total size is around 69.7 GB. getting a download speed of around 387 megabits per second. Download speed increased up to 500 megabits per second. Yeah, it's fast. The process should not take too long. You're not required to install the game again and again. Only need to install them once. They get stored on the server. Download has been completed. It took around 20 minutes to download 70 GB of data. Files are being verified. I'll just wait. That's it. Game has been installed. Let's start it. Finally, it's time. Prerequisite softwares are being installed. Okay. RTX. Launching executable. Game launched. Shaders are being compiled. I need to wait for a few more minutes. Hogwarts Legacy for you. Game settings. Full HD resolution. DLSS enabled using its quality preset. Reflex low latency enabled. Motion blur disabled. Using the high preset. I have enabled ray tracing using its high preset as well. Start the game. My save files. I have been playing this game on my ROG Ally. Good to see all of my save files have been loaded up. I can continue my progress on AirGPU. I'll load the Hogsmeade area. There's a character. Check out the input response. Hey, we are getting around 33 FPS only. This is due to ray tracing. Makes the game very demanding on the GPU. Even my RTX 2070 Super GPU struggles. 25 FPS. So I'll just disable ray tracing. Will be required to restart the game in order to apply the setting. Ray tracing off. Apply settings. Restart the game. I'll just do this quickly. Play. Reloaded the game. Now we are getting around 44 to 48 FPS. Still not getting 60 FPS. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed. Explore the area. On foot. Interacting with the kitty. Audio is not stuttering. Controls are responsive. Getting an average network latency around 31 milliseconds. Input delay mostly depends on our proximity to the servers of cloud service provider. I am from India, living in the state of Haryana. AirGPU server is also in India. I'm currently using their Mumbai based server. I'll just switch to medium preset. Medium. Apply. Not required to restart the game. Now we are getting around 50 FPS. FPS is still variable. I'll just fly around Hogwarts. First I need to leave the no flying zone. Hogsmeade. Check the controls. Very responsive. Almost as if the game is running natively, but that's not possible. I think it's not safe to jump here. Trying to drop down. Now I can use my broom. There you go. I'll head to Hogwarts Castle. See it in the background. Stunning visuals. Big open world. 45 to 60 FPS with the medium preset. Full HD resolution. DLSS set to quality. I'm just checking out the scenery. Boost. Now loading screens. I'll try to land in the castle's courtyard. Wrong way. There's the courtyard. Descending. There you go. Now I'll show you how to close the game properly. Pause it. Settings. Basically open the game's menu. Select exit game. Upon exiting the game, it will take a few seconds for the game save files to get uploaded to Steam Cloud servers. You'll see this uploading message, up to date. To end the session, just need to press the back button of your device. I use Android gestures, so I'll just swipe left from the right side of the screen. Here you go. Now just press and hold the desktop or Steam box out of AirGPU. You'll see these options. Here just select quit session. Successfully quit desktop. Now go back to AirGPU's website. From here just tap on stop. This is the final step. That's it. Session has been ended. Current status backing up. The status changed from backing up to off. Our data is locally stored on the servers of AirGPU. You already saw the services performance. They use AWS servers. I was using a regional server. Did not observe any perceivable input delay. The controls were very responsive. Some credit got detected as I used the service for about an hour. Remaining credit $6.5. My biggest complaint about this service is that it is very expensive. That's it with the video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.